Hi guys, today I'm going to be erasing my puppets. I'm holding the camera so it's going to be a bit more difficult.
You went back to sleep.
I know, 5 more minutes. And I'm going to be erasing this on my fidgets, puppets. That's my dress. Oh, if you know what this is, then please. This is a squishy. You're gonna squish it. And now I'm gonna be erasing. So now this is gonna be over here like that. And next I'm gonna put all my puppets like something like this. For next, I'm gonna put this first puppet somewhere here. With those on my puppet. But it's a bit difficult to hold the camera and do it at the same time. So let's go. And then now I erase it. Now for my next. I think this probably can go out. Oh my dimples. There's another on my dimple. And I'm also going to be arranging this puppet right here. Like this. This is all I have left, so it's going to be quite hard. My sister just now it's having a little bit of trouble with the shift clutch. And now I'm going to be arranging this over here. And it's a mini puppet like this. That is like this now and like this. Now for this one's the image. Like this. So that's the end of my video. Bye. Bye. Bye guys. These are my fidgets. Remember this video and remember to subscribe and do the shout outs. And make sure to subscribe a lot. Bye.